to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. In today's video, we are participating in an open challenge hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and special guest host CJ DIY. Here, talented creators breathe new life into old items. But wait, there's more. We are thrilled to announce that this month's playlist will have a special giveaway with 5 lucky winners. Prizes include a deluxe easy bow maker from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, a craft tool kit from Lady Red Crafting, a mystery box with crafting supplies from DIY Next Door, and 2 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins. To enter, just watch the July Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. You must comment on every video to be eligible. Mark your calendar for July 27th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. I'm sorry, due to shipping costs, giveaway is open to U.S. residents only. Don't miss out on this chance to win, and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
This up at the Goodwill or not, it still had the tag from at home, but I'm sure I didn't pay that, and I'm sure I didn't get it there. I think it was from the Goodwill, but we're gonna redo this and make it my style, because it's definitely not. And that's what that is our thrift flip for today. First of all, we're gonna get rid of this tag. And these goofy berries. We're gonna get rid of those first. We're gonna start by using some ribbon that matches my decor. Okay, we're gonna remove the greenery from these berries. Okay, we're gonna paint these berries turquoise, because I don't do much red for Christmas. I do a lot of pink and turquoise and gingerbread and stuff like that. So the red isn't in my color scheme. And it'll probably take 2 coats. And the paint is Caribbean by Appleby. Now we're gonna redo the ribbon on this because the red just doesn't match my decor. I'm just wrapping a new piece of ribbon around our hat. We want to make sure it covers the red, because we don't want the red showing. And then I have found this. This was in my stash. I'd made it for something else. And I thought, oh, that'll match this hat perfect. So let's add it to our hat. So it's like just reusing some of the stuff that we already had. So there's what it looks like, and then I'm gonna add, okay, here's our leaves. We wanna look at these leaves, because they needed, I don't like these. I'm gonna use just these. And add our berries to them. have a ton of these, so I decided I'm gonna use that as my foam in this. I'm gonna just add a little hot glue. I want just enough to keep it stable in the container. But if I want to take it out, I can. I got these at the Dollar Tree and I've had them for a long time. So we're gonna just start to fill in. With some of the, and this one I picked a lot of greenery. And this is another Dollar Tree. I think it's eucalyptus. So right now we're at $1.50 when I get all this in there, because I use 2 stems. And remember, you can always push the stem up to make it fuller. Now we got poinsettias, and the poinsettias come they're not fluffed, and they're not even made to look real when they come from the store. It's your job to fluff everything out and give them a natural look. I like to say you got to unfurl them because they're kind of in a cocoon, and you want to give the leaves, the bracts, some kind of shape and not make them just straight, because in real life they're not just flat. holes here and there. You just want to fill in the empty places with this. If you needed to, you can take your ribbon that you used for your hat and just make some loops. Put some wire around it and tuck some loops into your centerpiece too. It makes great filler if you need just to cover up some foam and do some filler. Okay, this is our thrift flip. The hat came, I think it came from the Goodwill here in Bowling Green. The bow was from a project I'd done before and ended up changing out the bow, which I think it's beautiful. And I just added the ribbon that I already had that matched it to the base. All the florals were from pre-existing projects. Some from Dollar Tree. These were from the Pottery Barn. I mean, probably 5 years ago. These were from Hobby Lobby, but I'd used them before in other vases and different things. And they were after Christmas, so they were like less than 90 cents a piece. But that's our Christmas in July thrift flip.